Okay, I'm going to show you very quickly how to organize your extension list, which is what appears right up top here. Okay, so these are all the extensions that you have added. Okay, now some people say, oh, I can't find my Screencastify. So you go to this little puzzle piece and you can see where I have push pins next to what I want to keep on my toolbar. And for some reason, I had a bunch of stuff like this that was up on my toolbar that I didn't use. So I just went through and unpinned it. So you can pin it, see, and it will appear, or unpin it. So if you're missing Screencastify, or maybe your Bitmoji or something like that, you can just click on this puzzle piece, okay? Another tip is, this is one of my favorites, is just shortcutting things at the top that I use often, like Slides Go is one of my go-to places for templates. And then I have Padlet right here. I have a timer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add tools up to your toolbar right here. You probably already know this part, but also some little tips. Okay, so if I want a Quizlet, I click on this star right here, and it adds Quizlet. I can change it if I don't want all these words, and I just want the icon because I already know that's Quizlet. I'm going to hit backspace, and I'm going to click Done. Now I just have the little Q for Quizlet, okay? And you can go on and change some of these. Like I can right-click and say Edit, and maybe just call it Bitmoji class, just to make it shorter. Save. Okay, that way you make them a little bit shorter, okay? Tiny URL, I use that a lot. I want to shortcut it. This. Actually, I can get rid of everything because there's a picture that looks just like it. Okay, see? Okay, and now the folder piece, I'm going to right-click in this toolbar, and I'm going to click Add Folder, and I'm going to call it Gamify. Okay, I'm going to click Save, and now I'm going to move my Quizlet to my Gamify folder, and I'm going to move Gimkit to my Gamify folder. So these can be very helpful in the morning. Okay, so maybe you want to, this is empty right now, but I have ClassLink right here. Maybe I want to shortcut it, go ahead and put it in my startup folder. Okay, maybe I want my Bitmoji classroom because that's something I show my students every day. Okay, so that way in the morning, I can just click Startup, and I can have my items right here that I need, okay? And so you could put a bunch of items in here. So I think this is very helpful. Timer, maybe I use that every day during reading workshop. I'm gonna put it in my startup morning folder. This is just a few ways to organize your bookmarks. Okay, notice how I don't have any of my shortcuts or extensions right here. So one of the most important things is to make sure that your account is synced, because otherwise, if you go to a panel versus your laptop, you may not see all of your shortcuts and extensions. So I am going to click right here on my face, and I'm going to say turn on sync. Okay, and I'm going to say link data. Yes, I'm in. Okay, now here is all of my bookmarks and my extensions. Okay, so, and see how it populated? So it put them all up here. So just make sure that you have turned your sync on when you get on a different computer.